Hey, it's Wednesday, August 11th on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I've got your Wednesday astrological forecast. But before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness flowing out of our body. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only does it fill our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity right back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say the affirmation together, and then we're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Great, great, great. Well, it is Wednesday, August 11th. I appreciate the comments I got on our Lionsgate portal on Sunday. I want to especially reach out to Paul. Thank you very much for your input. I greatly appreciated it. I also, and I'm not sure if it was this energy or not, but I will say for the last number of days, I have felt quite connected with the whole. But I also have to throw in that I have been using the heck out of our Leo affirmation, really getting into it and feeling part of everything and everything feeling part of me. So that is a very powerful affirmation. You might want to keep using that and using it more than once a day, along with the 3 deep cleansing breaths. Good way to reduce stress. Boom, like that. Bring you clarity. Boom, like that. Give it a try. Well, today is Wednesday, and I already said that. We have the big news is Mercury is going into Virgo today, and Mercury is going to be in Virgo, and from now until August 30th, not only is Virgo Mercury's home, Mercury is exalted in Virgo, meaning it works not only well, but really, really well in Virgo. So here we are, Mercury in Virgo, in its home energy, and this is going to make the next few weeks very, very productive for us if we are willing to keep our nose to the grindstone, be very aware of any details, make sure that we are organized, we have our ducks in a row, we have our facts straight, we have our research done. As long as we do our due diligence on whatever we're working on, from a relationship to a situation, to a job or career or an idea, we are going to be quite successful. Just remember, we have to keep our nose to the grindstone and just be focused. And there's going to be disturbing energies around us, as always, that will try to pull us off our task. And we'll be aware of those as we move through the next couple of weeks. But if we need to get something done, this is the energy for that. Isn't that great? So awesome for that. The only thing I want to warn us about, you always got to do the warning, because we are so, I think we are very discerning. That is a good word for this energy. So we are very particular in our facts. We want to make sure everything is aligned correctly the way it should be. Now, the problem with this is if we are too into our own opinion and too into doing things our own way, we may find ourselves becoming judgmental and critical of anyone who has any constructive criticism for us on whatever we're working on. Be aware of that little negative energy coming in to disturb us, knowing that we should be grateful for any input anyone gives us, whether we utilize the input or not. Be grateful, and in many cases, this input will help us create something that's even better. So keep that in mind with this incredible Mercury and in Virgo energy going from now until August the 30th. We also have today an excellent little aspect with Venus and Virgo trine Pluto in Capricorn. It is a great time to work on the details of our relationship with Venus and Virgo. It's a great time to create and work on the fine details of a good, strong, healthy relationship. Now, this energy is a trine. It's a 120-degree energy connection. Therefore, it's very optimal for working together. It's very optimum for coming up with new, especially relationship, being able to compromise, being able to come to a solution together. It's a great time for diplomacy. However, this energy is so smooth and easy, that trine energy, that if we're not going to grab that energy and really work with it, it's going to come and go. And also with the Venus and Virgo, watch out that we don't have our expectations a little bit too high for the other, so that we become a little bit too judgmental and critical instead of honoring and acknowledging the opinions of others and making sure we include their input in whatever compromise we're trying to come to. So that's some work today. Good working energy for the next couple of weeks, like I have said before, and it will help us get it done. We can make great strides not only in organizing in our home environment, making it more efficient and productive, especially if we're working from home now. It will help us look at our health. It's another great energy to take a look at our health. Are we being balanced? Are we eating healthily? Are we getting our rest? Are we making sure that our home environment is a place that we can come renew and rejuvenate ourselves? This is also great Mercury in Virgo energy. We are really going to be coming up with ideas and ways to improve all of those areas of our lives. And just next week, the sun is going to join Mercury in Virgo, so that will even be more intensified. So, all right, advice for the day. Flying. So when we're working on compromising today, when we're working with the other today, we want to make sure that we fly high, remain objective, and not get caught in our ego trying to bring attention to ourselves, because we still have the sun in Leo. So let's focus on the project and the work to be done, and not on the self and bringing attention to the self. We're looking at the whole big picture today, coming up with a compromise or a solution. Into the unknown. Now, I have noticed over the last couple of days that some of us have taken that chance, have grabbed that ring, have taken a chance on ourselves. And even though it is into the unknown offers so many opportunities that we aren't even aware of, because it's the unknown. We don't know about them yet. So this is a chance for us to trust spirit, trust our higher self, especially if we are going someplace new, working within our relationships, or because relationships are highlighted today, or if we are working with a new idea and somebody adds something that we go, wow, that's really different. That could really make a difference. I don't know. Let's check it out. Into the unknown. Don't be afraid of the unknown today. Embrace the unknown. Spirit says there is some real good goodies in the unknown today. And to finalize it, moonlight, kind of going with the unknown, but here Spirit says, hey, don't forget me. So make sure, if any of us are going into something, a completely new situation, a completely new relationship, or something we're unfamiliar with, we're a little bit leery, but we feel it. We've got to take the chance and take the leap. Spirit is saying, hey, I've got you. Just remember to take me with you when you go, and I will make sure I have your back and lead you in the right direction. Great stuff. And exciting news for me anyway. Next Thursday, August the 19th, Uranus is going retrograde. That's going to put 5 planets retrograde at least until October. So I decided to put out a video. I am producing a video just on the retrograde season. And I know it's a little past due because these babies started going retrograde. I think Pluto started going retrograde at the beginning of the year, but everyone still is retrograde. And I'm just going to give us a little synopsis of what that looks like, what that energy looks like. And that video will come out on Thursday, August the 19th. Also, next Sunday, the 22nd of August, we have the sun moving into Virgo. So the sun in Virgo monthly forecast will come out on Sunday, August 16th at noon. And then the Virgo meditation will come out Sunday, August 22nd at 6 a.m. Wow, that's a lot of information. I'll keep repeating it. Have a great Wednesday, and remember, everyone, the keynote from the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Holy moly, I forgot to mention we have an excellent, wonderful meteor shower happening today, August the 11th, going through Friday, August the 13th. Check your local listings for the best viewing from this great celestial event of the year. I almost forgot to tell you that. I wanted to make sure I remembered. Enjoy. Have a great midway through the week. Namaste.